kiss your lips and then you turn away. Do you really wanna make mistakes just to have me? Seems like every day's a situation. I used to think we were the perfect combination. I know you love me, but can you still say that you're happy? Remember when I used to make you smile? Now I'm feeling like it's been a while, so I gotta know the truth. Can we make it through? Tell me what to do, because I'm starting to ask myself, does the good outweigh the bad? Are we better on our own? Can we get back what we had? Or is it time to let it go? And it hurts to say it, but feels like we're giving up. Maybe we can make it, but I think we need to ask ourselves, does the good outweigh the bad?